Halo, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning everyone. Today I'm going to introduce myself. I am an English teacher in SMP and SMA IT Arahan Bandar Lampung. But before that, I would like to show you a proverb or peribahasa in bahasa Indonesia. Tak kenal maka, you know what? Yes, in bahasa Indonesia, tak kenal maka tak sayang. But today, I'm going to say tak kenal maka kenalan. Yeah. Why? Because since now until a year later, we are going to have meeting together, and I will teach you English, and you will be talk English with me. You know me. Yeah. Just continue. Here is my picture, and let me introduce myself. This is my information. I am an English teacher in this school, especially in Araihan, Bandar Lampung. My name is Agustiawan MPD. You can call me Abi Agus. And some students, I don't know, they call me Abi Suga, yeah, because they read my name from here as Suga, yeah. You know Suga? I don't know Suga, yeah, but I don't am okay when someone call me Abi Suga. I was born in Mekarsari, June 3rd, 1986. You know Mekarsari? Mekarsari is a place and it is a village in Lampung Barat. My address, or I live in Haji Mananatar. So if you are there, if you know this city, this country, this village, just say your address, okay? And then my hometown is Giham Sukamaju, Lampung Barat. So Mekarsari is also in Lampung Barat. I was born there. My parents are there. And my old house are there, but now I live in Haji Mananatar. And then this is my contact number. You can call by WhatsApp, and of course, for the next meeting, we are going to have conversation. We are going to have assignment and then homework by via WhatsApp. One of them is via WhatsApp, and then we also will communicate by Google Classroom, Google Meet, Google Chat, etc. Okay? And then this is my education background. Yeah, my elementary school. I started my elementary school in 1993 and graduated in 1999. I studied for elementary school in here, SDN 1 Giham Sukamaju. But when I was in elementary school, the name of the school is SDN 2 Sekincau. You know where is it? Yes, of course. It is in Lampung Barat, Kabupaten Lampung Barat, with the motto Beguai Jijama, yeah. This is my photo when I was in the first grade of SD or elementary school. How cute I'm. After that, I continue my study in junior high school. It is also in Lampung Barat. It is in SMP Negeri 1 Sekincau. Do you know where is it? Yes, in Lampung Barat, yeah. I finished it from 1999 until 2002. These are the photos of my friends and I, and then this one is also my photos when I have a graduation ceremony in the 3rd grade in 2002. Do you know which one is me, Abi Agus? Yes, that's one, number 2, which stand up, yeah. There is no smile over there, I don't know why. After I finish my junior high school, I continue my senior high school. in SMA Negeri 2 Bandar Lampung, ya, Jalan Amir Hamzah, Gotong Royong, Bandar Lampung. Some students say that it is a favorite school, but now, yeah, it is still favorite school. One of the favorite school in Bandar Lampung or in Lampung, ya. So if you want to continue your study in SMA Negeri 2 Bandar Lampung, you have to study hard, you have to study sincerely, and then prepare yourself from now. Don't give up. The study I started in 2002 and finished in 2005, and this is the picture of mine when we made BTS or buku tahunan sekolah, ya, not BTS Korea. Which one is me? That one, ya. Nah, the arrow is wrong. Actually, this one in front of the man, ya. This is me, Abi Agustiawan. And in this picture, which one is me? Yeah, the arrow show me the picture. Okay. And then, yeah, this is the picture when we already graduated from SMP. And my friend in my classroom, decided to make a photo as a memory, yeah, to be memorized. After I finished my senior high school, I took S1 or S1 bachelor degree in this university. Do you know this university? It is Universitas Lampung or Lampung University, yeah. The location is in Bandar Lampung, not far from Ar-Rayhan Islamic High School. It is maybe about 5 minutes by riding a bicycle. I took English department as I am English teacher now with my friends. So all of these friends master in English, yeah, maybe. Some of them become teacher, become lecturer or a docent, and some of them work in, course, and also in tourism, etc. So many different work after we finish S1 bachelor degree. I started my S1 from 2006 until 2011. This is me, which stood in front of the girls. And then I finally finished my bachelor degree on June 2011. Which one is me? Yeah, of course, the only man here, yeah, among the girls, among 9 girls that graduated together with me. And one of this girl next time become my lovely wife. And then after, remember, this is June 2011, and after that I get married in 2011 on 20 November 2011 with one of my friend which graduated together in the previous picture. Do you know which one? Of course, yeah, this is the lucky girl. Okay, next, this is the moment when I got married. You know what is the culture here? Yeah, it is Lampungnis culture, yeah, because I am originally Lampungnis, and also my wife is Lampungnis. After get married, of course, we get children, alhamdulillah. The first kid that I got is AWNY Abdullah Azam. He was born in 2012, and then the second child is a girl. Her name is AWNY Athania Azza. She was born in 2015. The first boy is called Azam or Abang Azam, and the second child is Acha. Acha is very cute. Azam is also very cute. Nah, these are the picture of them when they were 1 year old maybe. Yeah, this is AWNY Abdullah Azam and also AWNY Athania Azhar. Their smile make my life very lucky. And then this is AWNY family. Actually their name started by AWNY and then also AWNY. Why AWNY? Because Awe is my abbreviation of my name, Agustiawan, and also NY is abbreviations of my wife's name, Umi Nurma Yulina. And then this is my work experience. The first, actually it is not the first school that I teach, but officially I teach the first time is in SMA Al Kausar, Bandar Lampung since 2009 until 2011 when I still in university. Yeah, as a university student, I also as a teacher freelancer in SMA Al Kausar, especially in Pusdikba or Pusat Pendidikan Bahasa. After that, I started my teaching activity again in Ganesha Operation, one of English course and one of bimbingan belajar for SD, SMP, SMA, and etc. in 2011 until 2019. And after that, while I'm teaching in Ganesha Operation, a year after I teach in Ganesha Operation, I applied my proposal to teach in Raihan Islamic High School in 2012 until now. So, after 5 years working in SMP ITR Raihan Bandar Lampung, I have a chance to continue my study in S2 master degree, S2 master degree in the same university, that is Universitas Lampung or Lampung University in 2017. And I graduated I finished my study in December 2019 and get the diploma or get the inauguration in January 2020 with one of English teacher in Raihan 2. She is Miss Nurina Ulfa. Yeah, and the tuition fee or the payment for this study is fully paid by SMP ITR Raihan. So thank you very much for Foundation Abi Gunadi Rusdi as the chance to continue my study in this university. Universitas Lampung. I think that's all my academic introductions. Thank you very much for your attention. If you have some question, please raise your hand and please give comment. Thank you very much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.